When snow, ice, and rain build up, so do the challenges of maintaining your building. Reliable, responsive, connected. Learn about all the benefits of the new Tensio Smart Roof. Using sensors attached to your building's steel, wood, or concrete structure, Tensio measures the weight of the snow and keeps you updated in real time 24 hours a day on an easy-to-use app. Instead of eyeballed estimates on inspection rounds, now you have reliable engineering data you can use to better plan your snow removal operations. With Tensio, you can target areas with critical snow buildup before they become a problem. That way you avoid emergency work, which can be costly and dangerous, and protect the value of your building and the safety of its occupants 24/7. Tensio is the easiest way to cut your maintenance costs while ensuring complete peace of mind. Make the move from reactive maintenance to predictive maintenance today.